Hey! Welcome back to the Chinese course on Taleek. I'm Yao Songmei. So happy to see you again. In our last lesson, we learned 6 simple finals: a, o, e, u, ü. Still remember? Today we are going to learn 4 initials: 波, 坡, 摸, 佛. We should know that 波, 坡, 摸, 佛 are the names of the initials. They are not pronounced in this way. Because when we learn pinyin, we learn the names of initials and practice reading them with different finals. When we pronounce 波, 坡, 摸, 佛, we notice that it's always our lips working a lot, which means your lips are the main organ involved in pronouncing the 4 initials. Let's see. 波, 坡, 摸, 佛. So let's start with the first one, 波. It sounds like phonetic b in English, but it's softer. Now let's practice with some finals. 八, 波, 逼, boo. One more time. 八, 波, 逼, boo. The second one today, 坡. It sounds like phonetic p, but softer. Now let's try to read with some finals. 趴, 坡, 批, pu. One more time. 趴, 坡, 批, pu. Let's put our fingers on the throat and say b, p. As you can feel, there's no vibration here, so they are voiceless consonants. Now let's put a tissue in front of your mouth when you practice in this order. Okay, let's go. 八, 趴, 波, 坡, 逼, 批, boo, pu. Aha, see? When you read finals combined with 坡, the tissue moves because there's more air coming out. The next one, 摸, sounds like phonetic in English. This one is a voiced consonant, as you can feel the vibration on your throat. Follow me to read it with finals. 妈, 摸, 咪, mu. Try again. 妈, 摸, 咪, mu. The last one today is 佛. Look at my mouth. You can see I put my upper front teeth on my lower lip slightly, and it sounds like phonetic f. Let's try. Now let's practice with finals. 发, 佛, fu. Remember, we don't fi syllable in Chinese. Okay, one more time. 发, 佛, Foo. Did you get them? I'm sure you did. Well done, guys. Now remember to finish the quiz today. See you soon.